influence of the tzaddik. He is like a river, is giving water to all the four elements of the person. Because his name is mixed with our name. That means the name of Hashem is him, in him. That means the Yud Ke Vav Ke nimtza in the tzaddik. That is the four elements is equal 4 letters. What is the 4 elements that we are talking about? Arama. Arama. Esh. Ruach. Arama. Mayim afar. Esh, the fire. The air. The water. And the dust. That is the 4 elements. And every element has a source from the name of Hashem, from the letters. Yud is Esh, Resh. The Ruach is He, and the Vav is Mayim, the water, and He is Afar, is this word. From these 4 letters, it's coming also the 4 elements. These 4 elements that we are here, that's the pillar of the world. Everything is from these 4 elements. These 4 elements is coming from him. That's also we have 4 parts of the brain. There are 4 parts, and these 4 parts they are equal the 4 letters of Hashem. This also the idea of Shabbat. What is Shabbat? Hachamim, they compare Shabbat with the eye. The eye we have, we have 3 colors, and the eyeball, that's 4 elements. Shabbat, you see how the tzaddik is going. It's giving us until here. That is the Torah of Rabbeinu. Shabbat, Shabbat is representing the 3 colors of the eyes and the eyeball. Me'ir HaBeit HaMikdash. This light coming from Yud Ke Vav Ke, passing by Shabbat, passing by this, is giving light to the Beit HaMikdash. You know, on Beit HaMikdash, what's special on Beit HaMikdash? The windows of Beit HaMikdash. The windows of Beit HaMikdash, they are narrow from outside and large from inside. It means like this. What means? To tell us that the light of the Beit HaMikdash is not coming from the outside. Normally, when we open the window, is to have more big, more wide, more light. But here, no, is more tight. That means that the light from inside go in outside. And the light of Beit HaMikdash was not a light of electricity, not light, is a spiritual light. And coming from who? From the tzaddik. Because all this type of light, it's called me'ore-or. Me'ore-or. Lights that we are praying every morning. It's or choshech. Me'ore-or. The light, the light is giving light. Because they have the opposite. When Beit HaMikdash is destroyed, I mean, this light, this glowing of the light disappeared, was representing replaced by and this light is become changing by the fire. Practically, both they are the same source. Yeah, the light or the fire, they have the same source. But fire is burning, but light is giving me a light. So if the Beit HaMikdash is destroyed, that means no light is replaced by the fire. Like it says, "Behinat veyatzet esh b'tzion v'tochal kol yisodoteha." The Echai said, "Vayatzet esh." Hashem, he put a fire in Tzion. V'tochal was consuming kol yisodoteha, all his foundations. Ki al yedei horban Beit HaMikdash. That means by the destruction of Beit HaMikdash, بحينات استلكوت ميوري أور. That means when the light is disappeared, نتقابلون بحينات ميوري إيش. That means this fire is increased. ועל ידי זה נפגמים כל 4 יסודות, and the 4 elements they are ruined. כי תיקון כל 4 יסודות שהם כולל מידות, because the correction of the 4 elements, that is in the 4 elements, from the 4 elements we have the qualities, the midot, like the Hachamim used to explain, according how is the division of the elements. For example, okay, we have the 4 elements in our body. Our body is composed by elements. We have Esh, we have the fire, we have Ruach, fire is and digestion. We have this the temperature that the man has, and they have it's coming from the digestion, from the pulsation, etc. There is the Esh. Ruach is in the lungs. We have the Ruach, we have the air. Mayim, we have water. How many liters of water we have? A lot of water. And Afar. Afar is the dust. What the dust, that means what we eat. Okay, when the man is disappeared from this world, what happened? He's become dust. That means all the 3 elements disappear, and the rest is dust. So now these 4 elements, it depends how they are divided. The proportions. If the proportion of the ash is big, that means a man is high, is hot, has hot temperament, has a chaos. That is one element, everything. But if somebody has a balance on the elements, so his balance also is not high, is not low, is not light. The light is coming from the air if he has too much air. So these 4 elements, they are coming from the Hashem, from Yud Kei Vav Kei. So now, the light of the Bet HaMikdash is now, when we are, in our world, we can say that when the Bet HaMikdash is here, our elements, they are balanced. That means our body is balanced. That means, and the craziness that the people they have to run after this water, because they are not balanced. But when the Bet HaMikdash is destroyed, there is no balance. Because of that, our generation, we are not balanced. We have crazy people from one extreme to another extreme or something like this. That's how we explain when the light of the Bet HaMikdash disappeared, is replaced by the fire. And fire is it because the light is tikkun or of the element. With no light, as the fire and the 4 elements, they are ruined because they are not balanced. Because the correction, the 4 elements, they are correcting our midot, our qualities. By the me'ore or shenmshachin me'atzadik. And this me'ore or, this light, is coming from the tzaddik b'chinat Shabbat. Shomi erim Bet HaMikdash. That means is this idea is the Shabbat is coming from the tzaddik. Okay, that is the summary of this Torah. So now, Benatan, he was now to explain this concerning what is the connection with the Ta'anit. Yeah.
I'm just curious. Is that why you don't have external light?
Where?
Here, right here, like in this show. In other shows, you always have it.
Ner Tamid. That is called Ner Tamid. Is the
balance?
Eternal light.
We don't have it.
This is now. This is a symbol from the Bet HaMikdash.